What's up YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and in this video I'm going to be talking about, are you still looking to make money online? If you haven't made $1 yet, this is the video that you need to watch. I'm going to explain some tips, the reasons why you're not making any money, why you're still looking for an online business, or why you're trying to make money online. So if you haven't made any money online, here are some of the reasons, right? So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. My name is Andre. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and how you can get your life of freedom, all right? And how you can just, be abundant, stay home with your family, just how I have the privilege of being at home with my family and taking care of them using the power of the internet, all right? So the very first thing, the reason why you're still looking to make money online, and some of you probably are not making any money, right? The first thing you need to do, you need to start, right? You have to start. Majority of you guys think that everything online is a scam. That's the first thing that some of you are speculating. Everything you see is not a scam. I'm not saying that there's not a lot of scams out there, but you can do your research, right? There's a lot of research that you can do. Check out and see if the program is legit. Look and see, okay, there's a lot of people talking about it. And yes, you're going to find positive review and you're going to find negative review. That's how it is. It's such as life, because you cannot please everybody. And Apple, just like Apple has positive review, Apple has negative review, because you have some people who never used an Apple product before, yet they have the most disgusting thing to talk about Apple when they haven't, they've never used an Apple device before. They never had an Apple iPhone, but they speculate in their head and they start to bash a company that they haven't used. Same thing with people who talk about, hey, don't go into a relationship. They're single. They're not even in a relationship, right? Yet they're talking about, hey, you need to, not go into relationship and all that kind of stuff. So it's people. You're not here to please people. Yeah, you're gonna have people gonna talk good stuff, and you're gonna have people talk about bad stuff. So again, not everything is a scam, right? The next thing, majority of you, everybody wants to have financial freedom, but how many of you are willing to do the work? Because entrepreneurship is not for the weak. It's not for people who like to give up easily, right? It is easier for you to keep a job than to be an entrepreneur. So that's why majority of people, they want to keep a job, right? Because entrepreneurship is not for punks. I know I'm going to be a little bit straightforward on this video today, but I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm not here to sob on anybody. I'm just here to just tell you what I see, how I feel, and that's what is stopping a lot of people, right? Majority of you, or most people, right, they want financial freedom. They want to, they would love to have the life of freedom, but yet they don't want to invest in themselves. They don't want to invest into education. There are so many business models and business opportunity and ways how you can make money online. There's tons of ways, right? You have affiliate marketing, you have drop shipping, you have e-commerce, right? And you can do influencer, you can create a YouTube channel, you can create a blogging, right? There's so many different ways how you can create, and it's proven. There's people out there that are actually doing these things already. So why do you think that, okay, because there are so many people doing this, I'm not going to want to do it? Because they look at other people and they see a bunch of different followers. So what they do, they kind of sit back and be like, all right, I don't think I'm going to be able to make money, right? Excuse me. The next thing that I noticed, right, that people, in general, are jumping from one opportunity to the next, right? That's like the biggest mistake. That's why you're still looking to make money online. And that's why you're not making any money, because you think that, okay, this program, I'm going to give it 2 months, I'm going to give it 3 months. You haven't developed a skill set yet. You haven't learned the proper way of doing the actual business model or opportunity that you decided to start. So what you do is you jump from this one, you jump to the next one, and then you see some people over here doing it, and then you leave this one and then you jump over there. So most of you have shiny object syndrome, right? You just got to pick one method, work on it. Now let me ask you a question. How many of you, right, how many of you growing up as a kid, right now, you would not leave your house without brushing your teeth? You would not leave your house without putting a full, put clothes on. Because if you leave the house naked, people are going to be like, you probably, like something is wrong with you, right? That's the thing. It's doing one thing 1,000 times, not doing 1,000 things, right? Again, you just got to keep doing that one thing. Get really good at it. Practice, practice, practice. I've mastered it. I'm not saying I've mastered it, but I come to a point where I could generate traffic on all social media platforms. Because guess what? I stick to one thing first. I learn it, I craft it before I go to the next. When everybody say, well, Instagram is hot, let's go on Instagram. Facebook is hot, yeah, let's go to Facebook. YouTube, you need to start making YouTube videos. No. You need to start doing blogging. No, you need to do that. So you have so many people are distracting you and giving you all this noises. So that's where you kind of, it throws you off, and then that's where you get confused, you get frustrated, and then you quit. Most of you don't have the patience, right? Some of you are stuck into learning mode. You're reading all these courses, you're going through all the information, and you're not willing to start to apply what you learn. Get out of learning mode, right? Start to do things, right? Start to take action. And if you don't take any action, if you don't apply what you learn, how are you going to get results? People always ask, okay, what is the best method of driving traffic? Can you tell me which is the easiest way, right? Which everybody wants to find the easiest way. There's no easiest way in life, right? There's no easiest way, and there's no freebies. So if you're not willing to invest in your business or yourself, just forget about entrepreneurship. I'm just going to be real on this because I know what it takes. I've struggled. I struggled before. And I'm not going to be up here and think that, oh, everything is all glorious. No, it's not. But entrepreneurship, again, is not for the weak. You got to be strong. You got to be ready. Entrepreneurship will beat you down to the ground, but you just got to fight back. You got to remember, why did you start this? Is it for your family? Is it to have a better life? Is it to earn more money? Why do you want to still, looking to make money online? What's the main reason? What's your why? Come on, talk to me for a little bit. As I said, I'm not here to bash on anybody or talk down to anybody, but I've been through it. I know what it's like. Some of you guys are so fearful, you're skeptical about everything, right? I don't want to invest, let me think about it. I want to make sure that this is going to be the right thing for me. Did you think that Jeff Bezos, who has Amazon, didn't fail a million times? The guy who owns Coca-Cola sold 25 Coca-Cola in his first year, right? There's a lot of people out there who have struggled before. Look at McDonald's. How many times that people turned him down? McDonald's didn't even open up his franchise. Same thing with Colonel, right? Colonel, KFC guy, same problem. So the thing is, you're not failing, you're learning. So not because you failed the first time, you're going to quit and you're going to throw in the towel and you're going to be like, you know what, I'm done with this. Life is hard. I'm telling you, life is tough. But if you're not willing to use this one opportunity that you have, that is called life, to make the best and the most, make the best or the most out of it, just forget about making money online. Just go do something else. Stick to your 9-to-5 job. I'm just being real. I'm just being honest. And I know a lot of people are not going to like what I'm saying, but it's just the truth. And if you can't handle the truth, get out of the kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps and it will clear up some things about why you're not still making money online and why you're just not making any money. Alright, so I hope this helps. And remember, start today. Start. Because if you don't start, you're still failing, right? So not doing anything is a risk. Doing something is also a risk. Pick one. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace.